Have you ever wondered how it's possible to take the first step toward financial independence without having extra money to start with? If you're starting from zero, whether as a student, recent graduate, or someone simply looking to change their financial trajectory, know that this is more achievable than it seems. With discipline, practical strategies, and smart decisions, anyone can build a solid foundation for the future, even if they start with no resources. Stay until the end to discover how to create an efficient budget, cut unnecessary expenses, and take advantage of opportunities for extra income and accessible investments. Many young adults struggle when trying to organize their finances because they don't know where to begin. Many feel that no matter how much they work, they never seem to get ahead. This happens because many young people lack a clear financial plan, leaving them vulnerable to debt and difficulties in the future. Imagine reaching the end of the month and realizing that your entire salary was spent on unnecessary subscriptions, impulse purchases, or small luxuries that seemed harmless. Without organization, it's easy to fall into this cycle, but with small changes in mindset and daily routines, all of this can be reversed. The solution to starting your financial journey without initial resources lies in adopting a growth mindset and financial discipline. Small actions can transform your financial situation over time. For example, imagine someone who started doing odd jobs like freelancing or deliveries and reinvested their earnings into ETFs or cryptocurrencies. Over the years, this person managed to multiply their wealth and achieve stability that once seemed impossible. The secret lies in seeing opportunities where others don't and taking full advantage of them. The first step to organizing your personal finances is creating a simple and functional budget. List all your income and expenses to understand exactly how much money comes in and goes out each month. Identify areas where you can save, such as cutting subscriptions you barely use or reducing unnecessary expenses. A useful tool is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income should go toward basic needs like rent and food, 30% toward desires like leisure and hobbies, and 20% toward savings and investments. Use spreadsheets or financial control apps to track your spending and ensure you're following the plan. Reducing unnecessary expenses is another crucial step for those starting with little money. Often, we waste resources on things we don't even notice. For example, someone reviewing their monthly expenses might discover they're spending over 20% of their income on subscriptions they rarely use, like streaming services or gym memberships. By eliminating these small financial leaks, you can redirect that money toward bigger goals, such as building an emergency fund or investing in your future. Exploring additional sources of income is also a powerful strategy for those starting with no resources. There are several ways to increase your income without compromising your main routine. You can work as a freelancer on digital platforms, make deliveries, or even sell used items online. The key is to use this extra money wisely, reinvesting it into something that can generate returns in the future, like stocks, ETFs, or cryptocurrencies. Someone who started by investing just $25 per month in financial assets saw their wealth grow significantly over the years, thanks to the power of compound interest. Investing with little money is entirely possible and can be a game changer in your financial journey. For beginners, options like Treasury Direct, CDs, and index funds are accessible and offer security. The key is to start early and be consistent. Automate your investments to ensure you don't forget to contribute regularly. Even if it seems insignificant at first, small amounts invested consistently over time can turn into large sums in the future. Overcoming common obstacles in the financial journey is essential to maintaining progress. One of the biggest challenges is a lack of discipline. Many people start motivated but give up when faced with difficulties or temptations. To avoid this, set clear and realistic goals. Educate yourself continuously about personal finance and celebrate small victories along the way. Remember that every step you take today brings you one step closer to financial freedom. Addressing frequent doubts about personal finance is also important. Many believe it's impossible to save with a low salary or that investments are only for the wealthy. In reality, anyone can prosper with dedication and organization. Invest in financial education to learn more about managing money efficiently. I recommend books, online courses, and podcasts on the subject to expand your knowledge. Common mistakes can compromise all financial progress. Avoid procrastination, impulsive spending, or ignoring the need for consistent planning. Stay focused on your goals and follow the plan with discipline. Remember that small, consistent changes lead to big results over time. Financial education should start early, especially for young adults beginning their financial journey. Teach them how to save, invest, and spend consciously. Use everyday examples and practical tools to make learning accessible and effective. A child who learns to value money early on will be better prepared to make smart financial decisions in the future. To inspire you, here's a real success story. A family facing financial difficulties decided to implement all these strategies. They started with a detailed diagnosis, set clear goals, and created a sustainable budget. Within 5 years, they eliminated all debts, built an emergency fund, and began investing in fixed income. Today, they enjoy stable finances and a promising future for their children. Staying motivated during the financial journey can be challenging, but there are techniques that help. Visualize your goals regularly and celebrate small victories along the way. This keeps focus and energy high, helping you continue advancing despite obstacles. Free digital tools can greatly simplify the process of organizing finances. Try expense tracking apps, investment platforms, and goal calculators to manage your finances efficiently. Find the tool that best fits your needs and use it daily. Automating your finances is another powerful strategy. Set up automatic transfers to savings or investment accounts to ensure consistency. This eliminates the temptation to spend money that should be saved. A family that automated their savings quickly accumulated an emergency fund without extra effort. Redefining spending priorities is essential to maximizing financial returns. Identify unnecessary expenses and replace them with strategic investments. For example, cutting costs on expensive hobbies and investing the saved money in a retirement fund can make a big difference in the future. Emotions play a significant role in financial decisions. Fear, anxiety, or impulsiveness can lead to poor choices. Learn to manage your emotions and make decisions based on data and planning. A family that avoided panic during an economic crisis managed to preserve their wealth and even grow it over time. Taking advantage of unique financial opportunities can accelerate your progress. Stay alert to emerging trends, promotions, and undervalued investments. For example, a family that invested in cryptocurrencies early saw their wealth grow exponentially in just a few years. Finally, keep an eye on financial trends that will shape the future. Technologies like artificial intelligence, blockchain, and the digital economy are creating new opportunities. Study these trends and prepare to take advantage of them. A family that invested in renewable energy not only contributed to a more sustainable world, but also secured significant financial returns. In summary, the key to achieving financial independence as a young adult lies in making unified decisions, setting clear goals, and following a consistent plan. With dedication and patience, you can transform your home's future and ensure security for everyone. Remember, small changes today bring big results tomorrow. If this video helped you understand how to plan your family's financial future, leave a like and share it with others who want to improve their relationship with money. Subscribe to the channel for more content about family finances and financial transformation. Together we can build a better future for our families.